Jobs Act of 2010, which funds the construction of energy cost-saving improvements to public facilities, passed the House last week. Would you please tell us what this means for Washington State?
Passing this jobs bill for Washington State is huge, especially in this really tough economy. You know, it's going to create at least 39,000 jobs, 39,000 jobs statewide. We're going to see a savings of about $190 million a year in energy savings alone. And it's always great to have the state get involved in helping people get back to work and kicking our economy off in the right direction. Reminds me a little bit of what President Roosevelt did in the 30s, you know, when we had the Great Depression and with the WPA, and that's how we got a lot of bridges built, a lot of parks taken care of, a lot of buildings built, was the government stepping in and taking some initiative and investing into creating jobs for people, and this is exactly what this is.
What else is currently being done to save the state money?
You know, to save the state money, we are working really hard on a number of levels. I mean, we actually started doing this a couple years ago. We really started to look at ourselves as a state and ask ourselves really hard questions about, is this something that that we should be doing? Are we doing it as efficiently as we possibly can? And are we using our resources to leverage other resources to make sure the public dollar is stretching as far as it possibly can? And the exercise has actually been tremendous for us. We've had a chance to take a look at some efforts and some programs that kind of got lost in the shuffle, or some outdated things that we have been doing over and over again that we realized, because times have changed, either weren't necessary or could be done a lot more efficiently. We've really taken it upon ourselves to look at some reform kind of efforts in every aspect, not just health and human services, but around transportation and capital budget and just the operating budget as a whole. And I've seen, I mean, if you look at the list of reform that we've gone through over the last 2 years, you would be amazed at what we've been able to accomplish and how skinny down that we've become as a state. Which you know, the governor said, you know, this is a tough economic crisis, and we should not miss the opportunity to take advantage of the crisis, meaning that here's a chance for us to really kind of stop and look at ourselves and look at how we do business and see if there's a better way to do it. But we've worked really hard at trying to save money by using reform and also just making some really tough decisions as far as our cuts.